Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone and accounts. Make sure your iPhone 13 runs the latest iOS. This avoids activation bugs. Insert the physical SIM into the tray and power on. Next, obtain the carrier's eSIM QR or activation code. This is essential because the phone will download a second line. Once done, back up your device so you can restore settings if needed, and keep your carrier credentials handy for verification or PIN entry during activation. You proceed by adding the eSIM through Settings. Go to Cellular, tap Add Cellular Plan, then scan the carrier QR or enter details manually. The phone downloads the eSIM profile. After it appears, assign labels, call them primary and secondary, so you can pick them quickly. Make choices for default voice and cellular data. If you plan to use 2 numbers for calls or data, set which line is used for iMessage and FaceTime. This organization prevents routing errors and makes switching seamless. You finish by confirming connectivity across both lines. In Settings, toggle cellular data and enable LTE or 5G for the desired plan, then make a test call and use mobile data to verify. Learn to switch the line for specific contacts or calls. You can pick the line during a call or set defaults in contacts. If something goes wrong, restart the iPhone, rescan the eSIM QR code, and if activation still fails, call your carrier. Often a simple carrier-side activation fixes lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.